Well, this is the same spot as yesterday morning, the same wheel and everything.
My timing must be pretty good then.
Yep, boy, she's looking really pretty. Is the ground going to be dry enough?
Oh yeah, she'll be fine.
I hope so. Usually our driveway is the wettest spot if we've had a late evening or overnight rain, so I'll take it easy on the driveway, and hopefully by the time I get out to the main road, we're good. Good morning, Ruby. Well, the road's dry enough out here this morning. It's not completely dry, but it's dry enough. It's a warmer 43 out there too. I guess the cloud cover is holding in the heat a little bit this morning. We made it here this morning, no problem. It's still pretty gray out there. Didn't see too much sunrise today. I have a meeting with Johnny's teachers inside this morning. It's just a standard yearly meeting. There's no problems or anything. You guys know Johnny's a great kid. So I'm going to do that. And that still leaves me plenty of time to get back home, see Dawn for a few minutes, and then meet up with Michelle because it's shopping day. My meeting went well. The sun is out. The roads are drier. I have stopped turning off automatic doors. You can see that it's not like she just swings it out until you walk around there. You hit the brake quick and it closes the door. I really didn't need to be doing that. I've gotten more of a comfort level with the car. So yeah, that's pretty easy. I just wanted you to see the icon for the truck in front of me. It is a bit different. Hey, Miker, here's a girl with a one wheel trying to get around Raleigh. Way cool. I was home for all of 10 minutes and then I had to do a turnaround to come meet Michelle, which I am really looking forward to. Don was doing good. He's had reason the last day or so to look into the Jack Ricard conspiracy theory video, and he discovered that Jack had put a link to our video where Don talked about Jack's video. He was pretty excited about that. Now, let's not warm it up too super fast. Ruby still says it's 46 out there, but it is got the sun thing going on today. And no, I am not on autopilot here. Hello.
Ready for another day of shopping?
Absolutely. Very much so. Definitely. Always ready to shop. Same face, many moods. Okay, I have to know, did you pick up the Wizard of Oz guy?
Yes.
Let's see him. I didn't actually pick him up, but I sort of spotted him down there.
Yeah, Connor likes the Wizard of Oz.
Very cute. Super cute.
With his little, I'm intelligent diploma.
Alright, I always wanted to try one of these mermaid blankets. And this one is really pretty, and it's only $2. And Michelle has found a pair of dragon pajamas. Yep, almost looked mermaidy. And then who is this?
Lilo,
and Stitch.
Disney.
Yeah.
Stitch, yes, Stitch.
There's lots of blanket and towel choices over here on the wall we hadn't sort of paid attention to now before. That's a bike. They still have a great selection here. It's just funny and amazing at the same time.
That rivals Pee Herman.
Thank you, thank you. I do see a few new Valentine's Day things. I decided no on this longer burger, but they did have some nice stuff that they didn't have previously here this week. Nothing new is really standing out to us today. Butterflies are self-propelled flowers. You getting set for St. Patrick's Day? It looks like they had some good stuff. And hold up the thing we found for Ariel.
A is for Ariel.
So that's right. Maybe her door or wall. It's cute. And then I.
Oh, that is pretty.
Paperweight. If you haven't grown up by age 40, you don't have to. Guess that's good to know, huh, Michelle? I really need to find a button press for Lego League. New. They're just too expensive to buy, so I keep looking. So many clothes, so little time. I found this and thought it was really cute. All right, here's the secret Valentine's Day stash at the back of the store. They just haven't had a chance to put it out yet. I don't need an inspirational quote. I need a freaking cup of coffee. I certainly have felt that on a few days. The amount of glassware. Buy one, get one free. There are a couple of pieces of awesome antique furniture in here today. We are at Chili's today. Michelle wanted American. We thought that was close enough. Oh wow, that is a lot of chicken. Michelle got bacon chicken quesadillas, so Donna, you would really like the bacon. Well, it's staying nice and sunny. It's still not super warm, but we'll take the sun. We'll take the sun. We're happy with the sun. Yeah, we need to walk off that lunch. That chicken portion on the fajita plate was really generous, and then Michelle insisted that we have this piece of cheesecake. It's all her fault. We shared it, we actually didn't finish it. But you know how filling cheesecake is. I was gonna get the little pink owl, but she's way overpriced. Michelle, this is why I don't have anything in here today. And then they put her little costume jewelry in a really cute Valentine's Day bag just for her. So I don't need to get as much stuff today because with Dawn out of town, I won't be doing quite the normal amount of cooking. I got cream and I was like, oh my God, if I want tea in the evening, I'm gonna have to make it myself. And when I want my coffee in the morning, I'm gonna have to make it myself. And can't say I'm caring too much about the Super Bowl this year. So I just happened to be behind another truck with a trailer. Watching what Ruby does here. I'm not expecting any trouble. This one has a little more metal than that one the other day. She was not quite stopped there. She was close because the traffic was still really rolling, and now she's rolling again. I know we would like to see if she comes to a stop and stays happy stopped. But he's rolling and I'm rolling, so there's not a whole lot I can do about it. All right, we're stopped. See, we're stopped. Nobody's moving, so we're not moving. She waited a good bit there after he started to go before she moved herself. I'm just gonna try to try as many different trailer things as I happen to be behind, and this guy was just in front of me. I didn't have to do anything to find him. Ruby's like, don't take off without me. I'm coming, she says. He doesn't show a turn signal that he's turning. Is he turning? I did not give her any acceleration. She took off there on her own. Traffic aware cruise control. Now, I don't know if I will come up behind him again or not. So the speed's 45. I'm bumping the stock up twice. And then 2 more short clicks up to 47. I'm still driving. Ruby's just doing the accelerator and the brakes. Stop again. We'll see if there's any difference in behavior following the same vehicle. See, autopilot. There's a Model 3. Gonna get between us. Dang it, you're ruining my test. Well, we have come to a stop here in autopilot, but of course, that's not really helpful since that car is between me and the truck. Dang it. Bye. Tell Olaf I said hi. I will. Michelle is headed to pick Ariel up from her play practice. I see you.